How to install ChatGPT on PC. So the first thing you'll need to do is, if you're on Windows, you want to open up the Start menu, open the Microsoft Store, and in the search bar you want to type ChatGPT. Now here you should find the ChatGPT app, so you can click on it and then click on the Install button. And this should start downloading and installing the ChatGPT app on your computer. Now, once it's installed, you should find a icon on your desktop, which you can double click on to open up the ChatGPT app and start using it. And the second way to do it is using your browser. For example, open up Google Chrome browser, head to chatgpt.com. Now you want to click on the three vertical dots here on the top right side. Come down to Cast, Save, and Share, click on it, and then click on Install Page as App. And you can name it ChatGPT and then click on Install. Now, if you go back to your desktop, you should find the ChatGPT logo, which you can double click on to open up the ChatGPT as an app, which you can start using directly on your computer. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.